What's up, you guys? It's Mariah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided I would film a morning routine for you guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment telling me what you guys do for your morning routine. The first thing that I do is put my glasses on, because otherwise I can't see a thing, and then I just go on my phone for a little bit, and I scroll through Twitter and Instagram, and I just like the most recent posts from throughout the night. If you want to hop on over and follow me on Twitter and or Instagram, shameless self-promo, my handles will be on the screen now. And then once I finish doing that, I will get up and then I just kind of throw the blanket over the bed just to make it look a little bit better because I don't feel like making the bed all the way. Can you see my cat? And then I just head on over into the bathroom and turn on both of the lights. And then I just will hop in the shower. And then once I get out of the shower, I just put my robe on, and then I use the Garnier Whole Blends Leave-In Conditioner, and then I go in with the Garnier Flat Iron Express Cream, and I just put that all through my hair as well. This just kind of protects it from the heat and makes it a little bit quicker to straighten. Then I go in with the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Exfoliator for my face. And I just put a thin layer of this on, and then you wet it and rub it into circular motions in your skin, and then you just wipe it off with a wet towel and then pat your face dry. The next thing I do is go in with the simple soothing facial toner and just tone my face. And then the last thing for my skincare is just to go in with my moisturizer, which is also by the Simple brand. And then I just go in and brush my teeth. And after I brush my teeth, I just go back into the bedroom so I can get dressed for the day. And please excuse the mess in the closet. So this is what I decided to wear today. I just threw on a comfy pair of black LuLaRoe leggings with a Patriots t-shirt that I just tied up in the front, because when I'm filming this, it's Super Bowl weekend, so duh. And then I just start on my everyday makeup routine, and if you guys want a full in-depth video on this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up.
Tell me who's the fairest, is it you? Is it me? It's us, another dream day. It's so bright, strawberry champagne on the night. Lucky for you, that's what I like, that's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like, that's what I like. Good time.
And I hope you guys enjoy all the little dance and singing breaks in this. It was pretty fun.
falling out of love. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. I've been feeling it since 1966. I'll be over now, I'm feeling sick. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. I've been kicking like it's 1996. Over now, I'm feeling sick. Got a lot of mouth to feed. Even with the babies, I know I'm gonna bring it. Going with the ball.
So then I'm just going to go in and straighten my hair. I use the Garnier Fructis heat protectant spray that's meant for straightening. So I go ahead and use this all over my hair, and then I divide my hair in 2 sections because my hair is pretty thin, so I don't really need to divide it any more than that to get it to straighten pretty quickly. So I just go ahead and brush out the bottom and then straighten.
Discriminated against, I've been protested and demonstrated against. Taking time for my wicked rhymes. Look at the time, taking the mind of the motherfucker, keep his feet high. Always emotions when niggas emotions explode. Super flaring from Paris, blow them off and keep going. What am I doing? Look at me now. I bet you probably see me.
So then I just go in and brush the top of my hair too, and then just start straightening that as well. And my 2 biggest tips for you guys to straighten your hair and get a lot of volume, because sometimes if you have thin hair like me, it can kind of flatten it. So I go in on the crown of my head and I straighten it upward to try and get some volume in the back, and then I straighten the front down so that it doesn't flatten sideways. It kind of gives it that little more like natural look. So then I decided to go in and have breakfast. I was going to have some cereal this morning, and this is my face of disappointment when there was no milk in the fridge. So then I put that back and I decided to grab some eggs and just have some scrambled eggs and toast. And to season it, I just use some salt and pepper and some Mrs. Dash. And yes, I do still have Santa salt and pepper shakers because I have been too lazy to switch them back since Christmas. So then once my breakfast is done, I just take it over to the table to my computer and I watch some recently uploaded YouTube videos. So today I decided that I would watch Remi's new video, or MissRemiAshton here on YouTube. So I just put on her new video, which I will link down below. And then of course I have to get my cat off the counter because he likes to get into mischief, as you saw earlier. And then the last thing I do for my morning routine is just take my vitamins. So I take B12, biotin, and vitamin D. So that's it for my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like I said, if you did, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment down below telling me what you guys do. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!